What's up, everybody? Mr. Hernandez here. It's the last day of school and I'm a little bit sick. I've been a little bit sick this week, but I finally got my voice back, so I'm gonna make a video because it's the last day of school before winter break. I got a couple semester exams today. They're gonna be super easy, but I want to talk about generally for my classes, and those are my freshman, my sophomore classes, because right now I'm feeling kind of like disappointed in how the performance has happened throughout the semester, especially the last about month and a half since like the end of October. Just kind of really wound down, especially for my AP class, which is my sophomore level class. Right now I'm doing a lot of reflecting, thinking about, what are the things that I need to do in order to come back strong and come back in a way that gives my students, like a really good chance to succeed in the coming semester and what to expect from me in the coming semester. And right now I'm kind of thinking about a few things. So one of the first things I'm going to do is actually think about how I can improve. And one of the ways that I do that is I ask my students. One of the things that they saw, one of the things that you guys did in this class was actually survey and give me a grade, because your grades are going to determine, do you still have room for improvement? If you have a 100, you're doing great. You've mastered the material. If you got a 99 and 80, if you're failing, that means you still got room to improve. You still got stuff that you need to perform. And that's the same thing for a teacher. If I'm not getting a 100, if I'm not rated the very master teacher that I think I can be, then I know I need to step up to the plate and I need to change and adapt so that I can reach all of my students. Sometimes it's even best just to ask the students themselves, what do you want to see? What do you want me to get better at? How do you feel the class is going? So that's what I do here.
The other thing I'm thinking about is my time, the time that I'm putting in to esports, the time that I'm putting into teaching. Every week, or it feels like almost every week, I'm putting in almost 60 to 70 hours at school, at tournaments, and that's time that's taken away from my family. It's time that I'm dedicating to other people. And so it can be really difficult to figure out, like, is this the time that I want to spend? Is this going to be the time that is the most effective use for my family? Oh my God. How do I feel about myself while I'm spending my time doing all these extra things? And how do I feel about myself with the time that I'm taking away from all these other things? And so that's one of the things that I'm thinking about right now.
So that's it. Those are the two things I want to focus on going into the next semester. I hope my students have a great holiday. I'm hoping you all enjoy this time away and that you have a chance to recharge and reflect about how you want to think about improving into next semester and what you want to do when we come back and how we're going to start off on that right foot. Have a happy holidays, everyone. I'll see you next year.
You gonna go down that slide? Bye.